Let's say we're assigning tasks to people and we're like, oh, we might have made a mistake here. We might need to reassign. We don't want to just delete them. We can just undo them. So undo allows us to take whatever has been done, if it's entered data, if it's formatted it in any way, and just undo it. Make it so that it was like it was before. We can use the command Z on our keyboard, and that will undo as well. And we can also click this arrow that's looking to the left and undo. We can also redo, which is to do what the undo just undid. But there's another way, which is up here, edit, undo, and we can see we've deleted some notes, we've deleted this column, but once we do an extra thing, we cannot redo it. So we can go back and forth if we want until we take a new action. There is one other way we can see past information, which is go up to File, Version History, see Current Version History, and here we have highlighted our changes. And if we click the Expand Detailed Versions chevron here, we can see each of the different edits as they're highlighted. We had a drop-down menu with a status, had an error here, and if any of these versions we actually want to go to, we can click on it and click this Restore This Version button. Let's see, it'll say your current document will revert to the version from today at 8:22 a.m. Let's restore that. This is the restored version. And again, we can then continue working on writing is tough. So we don't have our drop-down menu of people. We don't have a checkbox here. Very different than our current version, right? Hope this was helpful.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.